Welcome to our new best hair care product. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates with many: healthy hair. With daily stresses like heat, styling and environmental damage, taking care of our hair can be tough. But fear not. We have the perfect solution: BoldPlex 3-Bond Repair Hair Protein Treatment Mask. Say goodbye to dry, damaged hair. The BoldPlex 3-Bond Repair Hair Protein Treatment Mask is your secret weapon for restoring hydration and strength. Ideal for curly, colored, frizzy, broken, or bleached hair, this mask brings intense conditioning to transform your hair from brittle to beautiful. Imagine running your fingers through vibrant, revitalized hair. By choosing BoldPlex 3, you're not just caring for your hair, you're embracing sustainable beauty. Want stronger, healthier hair? BoldPlex 3-Bond Repair Mask is the answer for dry, damaged, or frizzy hair. Hydrate, repair, and revive with this vegan, cruelty-free treatment. Buy now, link in description. Thank you.